Have you ever imagined a place where dramatic cliffs meet sparkling blue waters and every corner feels like a postcard? Welcome to Positano, a coastal gem that has captured hearts worldwide. What makes this Italian town so irresistibly beautiful and unforgettable? Let's find out. The enchanting history of Positano. Positano's history stretches back to ancient times, dating as far back as the Roman Empire. According to legend, the town was founded by Poseidon, in honor of his love for a nymph named Positano. Historically, it started as a small fishing village nestled along the Amalfi Coast, largely isolated due to its mountainous terrain. This seclusion helped shape the town's distinctive character, as it remained untouched by the rapid changes affecting other parts of Italy. Archaeological evidence from nearby sites, like Pompeii and the Roman villa of Positano, confirms that the area has been inhabited for millennia, adding to its cultural significance. During the medieval era, Positano thrived as part of the powerful maritime republic of Amalfi, a major trading hub in the Mediterranean. The town's strategic location along the coast allowed it to flourish, benefiting from the trade routes that connected Italy with the East. Positano played a vital role in the shipbuilding industry and international trade, contributing to the region's wealth and prestige. However, after the fall of the Republic in the 12th century, Positano's fortunes began to decline, and it reverted to a quieter existence as a fishing village, removed from the grander political and economic movements of the time. Breathtaking cliffside views. What makes Positano stand out? Positano's dramatic cliffside location is one of the main reasons it's considered among the most beautiful destinations in the world. Perched on the steep slopes of the Amalfi Coast, the town seems to cascade toward the Tyrrhenian Sea, with pastel-colored houses stacked one upon another, creating a striking visual contrast against the deep blue waters. The rugged landscape, formed by ancient volcanic activity, has resulted in a unique vertical townscape, giving visitors awe-inspiring views from nearly every corner. Whether you're standing at the top of the cliffs or by the water's edge, Positano's scenic beauty is an unforgettable sight. One of Positano's most mesmerizing aspects is how the cliffs and coastline merge harmoniously. The rocky terrain, lush Mediterranean vegetation, and terracotta-roofed houses make for a picture-perfect panorama. The town's unique geography allows for sweeping, uninterrupted views of the sea and the surrounding coastline, earning it a reputation as a photographer's paradise. As the sun sets, the cliffs seem to glow in warm hues of orange and pink, making the town even more magical. It's no wonder that countless artists, writers, and filmmakers have been drawn to Positano for inspiration. The iconic Spiaggia Grande, Positano's famous beach. Spiaggia Grande is the heart of Positano's coastline, and it's more than just a beach. It's a symbol of the town's vibrant charm and allure. Stretching over 300 meters, it is the largest and most famous beach in Positano, drawing locals and tourists alike to bask in its beauty. Towering cliffs frame the beach, colorful houses clinging to the slopes, and the azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea. This scenic setting makes Spiaggia Grande one of the most photographed spots in Italy, perfectly embodying the magic of the Amalfi Coast. What makes Spiaggia Grande truly special is its blend of relaxation and activity. On one side, you'll find sunbathers lounging on rented chairs and under colorful umbrellas, enjoying the warm Mediterranean sun. On the other hand, there's a lively atmosphere with waterfront restaurants, cafes, and bars, where you can sip a drink and enjoy fresh seafood while enjoying the breathtaking view. The proximity to Positano's center means everything you need is just steps away, from luxury boutiques to artisan shops selling handcrafted goods. Exploring Positano's charming streets and boutiques. Positano's streets are an enchanting labyrinth that invites visitors to get lost in its beauty. Unlike typical flat cityscapes, Positano is built vertically, meaning its narrow lanes are often staircases or steep paths winding down toward the sea. The charm of these streets lies not only in their structure, but in the vibrant Mediterranean colors that line them. Whitewashed houses with orange, pink, and yellow splashes create a picturesque setting, complemented by flowering bougainvillea cascading from balconies. The absence of cars in most parts of Positano allows for a peaceful exploration, where every corner reveals new surprises, from hidden gardens to panoramic viewpoints. One of the highlights of wandering through Positano's streets is the discovery of its boutiques. Positano is famous for its local fashion, mainly handmade leather sandals. Artisans often craft these sandals in their shops, allowing visitors to watch the process and customize their pair. The streets are dotted with these charming stores, where you can also find stylish beachwear, linen dresses, and vibrant scarves that reflect the laid-back yet sophisticated vibe of the Amalfi Coast. Shopping here is a personal and intimate experience, with many shops being family-owned and operated for generations. Amalfi Coast Adventures, beyond Positano. While Positano is undoubtedly a highlight of the Amalfi Coast, this stunning region is home to several other enchanting destinations that offer unique experiences. Just a short distance away, visitors can explore the towns of Amalfi and Ravello, each with its charm and attractions. Once a powerful maritime republic, Amalfi boasts a rich history and breathtaking architecture. The Amalfi Cathedral, with its striking Arab Norman design, is a must-see, featuring an impressive facade and intricate mosaics. Visitors can wander through the town's narrow streets lined with local shops, sampling fresh produce and artisan goods. Positano's culinary delights, from seafood to lemon desserts. Positano's culinary scene is as vibrant and colorful as its picturesque landscape, reflecting the rich flavors of the Mediterranean. The town is renowned for its fresh seafood, harvested daily from the Tyrrhenian Sea. Traditional dishes like spaghetti alle vongole, spaghetti with clams, and branzino al sale, sea bass baked in salt, showcase the freshness of local ingredients. Many restaurants emphasize a farm-to-table approach, sourcing vegetables and herbs from the surrounding hills. The pristine coastline and fertile land create a unique blend of flavors that keeps visitors returning for more. How to get around. Positano. Insider tips for travelers. Positano, with its picturesque cliffside views and charming narrow streets, presents both a challenge and an adventure when it comes to getting around. Due to its unique topography, this coastal gem is not easily navigable by car. Instead, visitors will need to rely on various modes of transportation, including walking, boats, and public transportation. Understanding how to traverse this stunning town will enhance your experience and allow you to appreciate its beauty fully. Positano through the seasons. Best time to visit. Positano is a stunning destination that transforms each season, offering unique experiences and sights throughout the year. To truly appreciate the charm of this picturesque town, it's essential to consider the different seasonal attributes and plan your visit accordingly. Understanding when to go can enhance your experience, allowing you to explore the best Positano offers while avoiding crowds or inclement weather. As we wrap up our journey through Positano, it's clear why this breathtaking town is considered one of the most beautiful places in the world. From its stunning vistas and rich history to its delectable cuisine and vibrant culture, Positano offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler.